Hi everyone, so this is my next video in the series of integers, and as I told you in the last video that in the next video I am going to discuss some of the story sums or the word problems related to integers. So आज के इस वीडियो में हम थोड़ा सा story sums की बात करते हैं, है ना? So let's start. First question says that the daytime temperature in Delhi on a particular day was 33 degrees Celsius. At night, the temperature became 26 degrees Celsius. So, what is the rise or fall in the temperature from daytime to night time? ठीक है. So, what is the temperature in the daytime? Rise or fall जो भी है यहाँ पे लिख लो. You should note down all the questions so that you can make a proper notebook और proper notes आपके बन जाए. तो क्वेश्चन भी साथ में लिखना है, ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ समझ के छोड़ दिया. तो दिस वे यू विल बी एबल टू मेंटेन योर प्रॉपर नोट्स, है ना. सो टेम्परेचर इन डे टाइम वॉज, you need to write the statement also, temperature in daytime is 33 degrees Celsius and temperature at night it is 26 degrees Celsius. So टेम्परेचर गिरा है, टेम्परेचर फॉल हुआ है. सो कितना फॉल हुआ है ये निकालना है हमको, राइट. So fall in the temperature will be, you will find the difference. 33 minus 26, subtract करो. 13 minus 6 is how much? 7. This will be 0. 2 minus 2. So what is my final answer? What is the fall in the temperature from daytime to night time? It is 7 degrees Celsius, है ना. So fall in the temperature, final answer लिख दो. So fall in the temperature is equal to 7 degrees Celsius. तो जब भी आपको ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं तो कई बार वो दे देते हैं आपको हाइट ऑफ द प्लांट इज़ दिस मच, देन इट वाज रिड्यूस टू दिस मच. तो कितना रिड्यूस हुआ या कितना बढ़ा है हाइट, व्हाट इज़ द इंक्रीज इन द हाइट, व्हाट इज़ द इंक्रीज इन द टेम्परेचर, व्हाट इज़ द डिक्रीज इन द टेम्परेचर, लाइक दैट. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. सो यू नीड टू फाइंड द डिफरेंस इन दोज क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, आउट ऑफ -7, -5, -3, 1, 4 and 7, find a pair of integers whose sum is -2. So out of these numbers only I have to find a pair of integer whose sum is -2. ठीक है. थोड़ा से परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशंस लगाते हैं. -2 एडिशन शुड बी -2. We have -7, -5, -3 plus 1. If you add -3 and +1, what will you get? -2. So for the first one the pair should be -3 and +1. We have to add, है ना. Second, sum should be 2. ठीक है. If we add 2 integers, their sum should be +2. तो ऐसे नंबर कौन कौन से मेरे पास आउट ऑफ दिस ग्रुप? +7 and -5. If I add these two, I will be getting the answer as +2. Third one, they are saying their sum should be 0. तो -7 and +7 सेम नंबर पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव होंगे तो their sum will be 0. कई बार आपको ऐसे क्वेश्चंस भी पूछेंगे वो मेनी टाइम्स कि दे वॉन्ट गिव यू अ सेट ऑफ नंबर्स and they will ask you to write a pair of integers randomly so that their sum is -3, their difference is -5, like that. So you can choose any number in that case. Here they have given a set of numbers, so we have picked the numbers from the given set of numbers. So how you have to decide, I think it is quite clear to you. If you have any doubt, any problem, please feel free to write in the comment section. I will definitely clarify your doubts in the next video, है ना. Now come to third question. Sum of two integers is -15. Sum of two integers is -15 and if one of them is 8, find the other one. ठीक है, so let the other number be x. हमेशा ऐसे ही सॉल्व करना, let the other number be x, and make it a habit to write the statements like this in the exam also. Sum of two integers is -15 and one of them is 8. ठीक है, so other is x, 8 gives you -15. ठीक है, so is this equation clear? Sum of two numbers is -15 and one of them is 8, the other one we have taken x. How to find out x now? Transpose कर दो, 8 को उस तरफ ले जाओ, -8, so x will be -15 and -3, how much it is? -23. That's my answer. And in case you don't know how to solve the equations, as such you must have done in grade 6, because this video is basically for grade 6 and 7 both. And if you don't know how to solve the equations, what will you do? Shortcut is sum में से you will be subtracting the first number. ठीक है, this way also you can do. So both the ways you can do. If you know how to solve the equation, use the first method. Otherwise you can subtract the other number from the sum. ठीक, so -15 -8 will give you -23. That's your answer. Next question. A bird watcher on a cliff spotted a bird 7 meters above him. Okay, bird watcher. cliff समझते हो, जहाँ पर बैठ करके वो birds को observe करते हैं. So a bird watcher on a cliff spotted a bird 7 meters above him. Okay, earlier he had seen it 11 meters below him. Okay, suppose ये मेरा cliff है, ये 0 है जहाँ पे मैं बैठी हूँ. Bird watcher is here and bird is 7 meters above. Okay, 7 meters above him, and earlier it was 11 meters below him. So what was the change in the altitude? Altitude means height, and bird was kingfisher. So what is the change? This is +7, this is -11. What is the change? It is of 18 meters. Obviously you can see the vertical distance between the initial and the final position. So 18 meters is your answer. You can write the statement on your own. Earlier the height was this, afterwards the height was this. So you can make diagram as well if you want. Quite simple question. Same way they can ask you about the aeroplane also. Aeroplane is flying high this much and the submarine is below the sea level. Find the vertical distance between the aeroplane and the submarine. So in that case you will have to add that, है ना, vertical distance पूछ रहे हैं, so you will have to add that. Fine. Next question. In a quiz, Sonu scored -60, 20 and 0 in the 3 rounds. Okay, and Monu scored 20, 0 and -60. Okay, who scored more? Okay, so सबसे पहले हम निकाल लेते हैं सोनू का स्कोर. सोनू एंड मोनू दोनों का स्कोर निकालना है हमको, तो आप क्या करोगे भाई, इसको ऐड करोगे, है ना. स्कोर ऑफ सोनू -60 +20 and 0. If you add all these 3, you will be getting -40. Score of Monu 20 + 0 -60 -40. So both have scored -40, right? So Sonu and Monu both got minus 40. So they both scored same. Any doubt, any problem, please, again I am telling you, put it in the comment section. I will be taking your doubts in the next video if you have any doubt, है ना? If you have any suggestion to give, if you want some more types of sums to be discussed in the class, put in the comment section. I will be taking those, okay? Next. Next question is also about temperature. Temperature of a room is 38 degrees Celsius. When the air conditioner is switched on, the temperature drops by 3 degree every 15 minutes. Okay. Temperature of the room कितना है भाई? Temperature of the room is 38 degrees Celsius. गर्मी बहुत है, ऑफ कोर्स इट्स वेरी हॉट, सो एयर कंडीशनर ऑन करोगे, एसी ऑन करोगे. द टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप्स बाय 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस एवरी 15 मिनट्स. सो व्हाट विल बी द टेम्परेचर आफ्टर 1 आवर? 1 आवर मतलब कितना होता है अभी? 60 मिनट्स होता है. ये तो बात हम सबको पता ही है. फाइन. सो इन 15 मिनट्स टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप्स बाय 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस. So in 60 minutes, temperature will be dropped by how much? 3 into 60 divided by 15. Unitary method से भी कर सकते हो. 12 degree Celsius, है ना? So drop in the temperature in 1 hour time will be 12 degree Celsius, है ना? So temperature after 1 year will be what? 1 year नहीं, sorry, 1 hour. 1 hour will be 38 degree minus 12 degree. Subtract कर दोगे 26 degree Celsius. So the temperature of the room after 1 hour will be 26 degree Celsius. Correct? It was noticed that the temperature dropped at the rate of 4 degrees Celsius per hour in Gulmarg. How long will it take for the temperature to be minus 24 degrees Celsius and the current temperature is 0 degree? Okay. What is the rate of change of the temperature per hour? 4 degree down जा रहा है, minus 4 degree. And current temperature is 0. So total change in the temperature will be minus 24 degree. 24 degree का change है. So number of hours कैसे निकालोगे? Total change in the temperature divided by rate of change in the temperature. So total change कितना हो रहा है अभी? 0 to minus 24 जा रहे हैं, तो आप minus 24 कर सकते हो. और डिक्रीज हो रहा है तो 4 डिग्री है ना, minus 4 डिग्री. If you divide it, you will be getting 6 hours. ठीक है. So it will take 6 hours for the temperature to be minus 24 degrees Celsius from 0 degree Celsius. ठीक है. Next question, question number 8. In a game with his friends, Rahul had a total penalty of minus 96 seconds. How many penalties did he have if each penalty was of minus 8 seconds? ठीक है. Total penalty minus 96, each penalty minus 8. So number of penalties क्या करोगे? Total divided by each. So minus 96 divided by minus 8. So 12 penalties will be there for Rahul. Question number 9. An iron rod was heated to 200 degrees Celsius and left for cooling. After every 3 minutes, it cools down by 25 degree Celsius. मतलब initial temperature है मेरा 200 degree Celsius and in every 3 minutes the temperature is coming down by 25 degree Celsius. Right? So what will be the temperature of the iron rod after half an hour? Half an hour matlab how many minutes? 30 minutes. So they are asking कि after 30 minutes what will be the temperature of the rod. So you need to write the statements also, since it is a story sum. So it will be good for you. Don't do the calculation directly, write the statements also, है ना. So initial temperature is 200 degrees Celsius. Decrease in the temperature in 3 minutes is 25. So decrease in temperature in 30 minutes. 30 minutes मतलब 3 into 10. 10 times. 3 minutes का 10 times हुआ 30 minutes. So temperature भी कितना जाएगा? 25 into 10 यानी कि 250 डिग्री सेल्सियस डाउन फ्रॉम 200. ठीक है. So final temperature of the rod will be 200 degrees Celsius minus 250 degrees Celsius. So you will be getting the answer is minus 50 degree Celsius. Fine. We can take one more question. Question number 10. This is also related to height only. An elevator descends at the rate of 8 meters per minute. Okay. If the descent starts from 5 meters above the ground level, and how much time will it take to reach minus 475 मीटर. ओके, थोड़ा सा इस चीज़ को विजुअलाइज करते हैं. देखो, ये मेरा ग्राउंड लेवल है. एलिवेटर कहाँ से नीचे आना शुरू हुआ है? 5 मीटर अबव द ग्राउंड लेवल, यहाँ से, है ना. दिस इज़ द इनिशियल पोजीशन. और कहाँ तक आया है? फाइनल पोजीशन कहाँ पर है मेरी? minus 475 डाउन. सो व्हाट इज़ द वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस? वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस मतलब अप एंड डाउन पूरा मिला करके अगर लेंगे, सो इट विल बी 480 मीटर्स, है ना. 480, 475 प्लस 5, 480 मीटर का वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस है. एंड व्हाट इज़ द रेट? 8 meters per minute. So time taken, how will you find out time taken to cover 480 meter? Distance divided by the rate at which the elevator is coming down. So 480 divided by 8, that means 60 minutes. That means 1 hour. ठीक. If you want to write the formula, you can write the formula as well. Time is equal to total vertical distance divided by rate at which the elevator is coming down. So in this video of story sums of integers, I have taken 10 story sums which were related to vertical distance, which were related to temperature and all that. So in the next video, I will be taking some more questions, some more story sums of integers, which will be based on examination questions, test questions. Suppose these many answers were correct, these many were wrong, right? So see you in the next video. By the time, if you find anything difficult, please put it in the comment box. If you want me to make some more videos on some other topic which you want to understand, please put it in the comment box. I will be making the videos. Thank you so much.